Today I'm taking the VEVOR pull-out organizer. So it's interesting, we actually have some, looks like mylar material. So that way if you put something on there and it starts dripping, it's actually going to have something that it can drip on instead of dripping into the bottom of the cabinet. So that's nice. Got our instructions and we got our hardware there on the bottom. This is actually a fairly heavy feeling rack. So it seems like it's going to be relatively heavy duty. And that has a very shiny looking chrome finish on that rack. And these are some very nice smooth feeling ball bearing slides. So it says the first thing we're going to do is attach these slides to the frame. So you just take one of these small screws that they call L, and then we'll thread directly into the frame. On the top we got a bunch of different holes, so if you want to, you can put that rack at a different height. So if you need to put taller objects in, you might need to put it at a lower spot. Now we can attach the rear support, and we're going to use bolts K. So they're very much like L, they're just a little bit longer. So at this point the frame is done, and it says that we can mount this right into our cabinet. We do have some screw holes right here on the bottom, so we can actually screw that to the ground. Obviously if we pull our cabinet out, we don't want the weight of whatever's on that shelf to pull this guy down. So it says we can screw it to the bottom, and we can also screw it to the wall of the cabinet with these holes right here. After that we drop on our racks. And we can put in our trays. And if we want to, we can use these dividers. So we got 3 shorter ones for the top, 3 longer ones for the bottom, and they will just clip on. So handy if you got objects that have a tendency to want to fall over. But they did give us some extra bolts just in case we dropped any, and we have our mounting screws as well. So these drawers do appear to have a stop, so it's not just going to fall out, and it just takes a small tug to pull that out. But they do pull full extension, so you'll even be able to reach the objects that are in the back while this thing is in the cabinet. So that is a very nice organizer.